warm one this morning. It's 28 degrees centigrade. Hope my audio's worked today. Not that I've said much. Got a new microphone. Gone with a Rode. The old microphone has been causing me no end of problems. That's why I've been so quiet. I've also got new tyres, so I'm having to be very careful on them, scrubbing them in like there, not getting the power down too early and just bimbling along, making sure that I'm smoother than ever. Dunlop Trail Smarts. Now then. Nice. So while I had my tyres fitted, I had it confirmed something that I already knew, really, that I'm going to need chain and sprockets as well. And I was aware of it, really. I was just putting it off while I sourced a bit of extra spending money for the job. So the bike's had a clutch recently, new tyres. It's going to have X-ring chain, sprockets, and cush drives. It'll be one hell of a bike, and somebody else is in fact going to get the benefit of this magnificent steed. It's recently had a service. Everything's splendid, even more so when the chain and sprockets get fitted. But yes, I'm looking at selling this beastie, possibly even this weekend. We'll see what occurs. It will be down to a mate of mine, a very good mate, Rich, who is looking at it. He had a DR400 Suzuki, and the thing got stolen, as they do. They disappear a lot, these types of bikes here. DR400s, very popular amongst the criminal fraternity. So he's got an insurance payout, and he's been saving up a bit of money, and it's looking like he's more than interested in this bad boy. If he buys it, I'll also be buying something new. I've seen the bike. I saw one last week, and I wanted to go and put my name on it. Unfortunately, so did somebody else, and it got bloody snapped up from underneath my nose. What I saw was a mint 7,000 kilometre 94 R. No, I'm not talking 94 year, I'm talking the commemorative bike. It was a 2015 registered 16 Triumph Speed Triple in yellow, but it was the 94R with the Olins front and rear, and it was an absolute minter, and I wanted it desperately because I had one as a company bike in 94, and it was just calling me. It was my name, it had my name. and clearly not. Had somebody else's name on it, the bastard. However, all good, because everything in life happens for a reason. So I've seen another one anyway, and it's not the 94R model. There's still another one with low Ks. It's a little bit older, so it's going to save me a little bit of money. And another bike. So if all goes to plan, I'll be losing the GS. If it doesn't, I'll be very fortunate in the fact that I can keep it. If Rich just decides he's not up for it, we'll find out. Some dawdlers here, jeez.